Here in Gouda, we're going to do something unique. Until now, valves that control the water flow had to be operated on-site and manually. This is time-consuming work. Today, we're going to improve that by placing a remote control on the valve. This way we can control the water flows on a laptop. We're going to have this in 20 locations. We show how we turn conventional valves into remote-controlled valves. To place the remote control, we free up the existing valve. We clean the valve and start assembling the equipment. Our partner 3S Antriebe supports us in this. First, we place an adapter on the valve, which connects the actuator to the valve. We place a base plate over it. The base plate absorbs the actuator's torque so that everything stays in place. We place the actuator and the battery holder on the base plate. We place the battery in the battery holder and connect it to the actuator. All electrical equipment is watertight and dust-tight. We set up a sensor that alerts us when someone opens the cover. When everything is ready, we test whether we can operate the valve remotely using our software. In order to operate the actuator, we must configure a number of things. We set the values of the valve and ensure a good network connection for the control. This network is extra secured. If there is a leak somewhere, we can close the nearest valve by simply pressing a button. When the equipment is installed, we ensure that the street is neat and tidy again.